Hey there, PE students. This is Mr. Shelton. I'm going to go through your PE class for this year. This is the syllabus I'm going to go over quickly. Just remember, PE is a required course, and the reason it's required is we want to build good habits of you being physically active that you can carry with you throughout the rest of your life. All right, so in order to get us through this course, however, I'm going to go over the course requirements. First of all, you will have weekly assignments like you do in each class, and actually you have daily work, which is your assignments first are logging your physical exercise, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. You have to have at least 200 minutes per week, which is an average of 40 minutes per school day. You will also complete one written response on a PE related topic or watching one video and completing a response. And you will also complete a physical fitness inventory. I'll review that too as well. The other way you finish this course is to come to 3 different activity days each semester. And you have to come to one activity from each of these activities. So you come to 1 day of ultimate ball during those weeks, you come to 1 day of volleyball, and you come to 1 day of basketball in this semester. If you're unable to attend, you may do a written alternative assignment, and I'll show you how to get to that in just a moment. I'm going to quickly go over the exercise logs. Remember, I said 200 minutes. You will have to classify your exercise as either cardiovascular exercise, strength exercises, or flexibility, and I'll show you that in just a moment. But here, let's now go to the Google Classroom, and on Google Classroom you'll see a thing that says class materials. You can review the PE syllabus with your parent if needed, or you can review it for your own well-being. And also you'll see on here that we have the activity day signups, and so the way you do that is you click on here for activity day 1 ultimate ball, and you click on the sign up form, and you're going to click on that whether you're coming or not, and you're going to choose one of the days to attend. I believe Ms. Flasati will explain this a little bit more to you freshmen in freshman seminar. If you're unable to come to the activity day number 1, you will click on this alternative assignment and you will complete this and turn it in. Alright, and you're going to do that. You can sign up for activity days 1, 2, and 3 right now. Make sure you write those down because I will not be reminding you. You need to show up on the days in which you've signed up. And then lastly, right now I have the exercise log on here for week 1. Each week these exercise logs and the written response assignment will show up on here. I'm going to show you what the exercise log looks like. So during the week when you exercise, you're going to need to write this down some way or keep track of it in some way, and on Monday afternoon you will complete this exercise log. So obviously you put your first name, your last name, and now part of what you have to do on the exercise log is the physical fitness inventory, which I shorten to PFI right here. And the first thing you have to do, and you need to do this at some point during the week, don't wait until Monday to do it, but if that's part of your exercise, that's okay. But how many push-ups can you do without stopping? That means stopping means putting your knees down or collapsing to where you are lying on the floor. So how many can you do? There's not pass or fail. We want to keep track of you getting stronger. So if it's 0, write 0. How many sit-ups can you do without stopping? Same thing. Once you're done, just finish and write down the number. And then here, for time to complete 1 mile, you will have to figure out a way to have a mile marked off somewhere in your neighborhood, or if you're lucky enough to live next to a track or something, you need to time it, and you will write in your time. And you see the example I have here is 10 minutes 47 seconds would be written 10:47. All right. Now, you also will need to, and you should have been keeping track of this all week, is you do this pull down menu. How many exercise minutes did you do on Tuesday? If you didn't do any, leave it blank. But if you did 40, put 40. Now, I have these in 10-minute intervals, round to the nearest 10, and you will be good to go from there. You do that for each week. Hopefully it adds up to 100 or 200, sorry. And then at the end, what types of exercises did you do for the week? Did you do any cardiovascular? Did you do any strength? Maybe you didn't do any strength. You did some flexibility. Mark those. There are no wrong answers. I just want you to think about the type of exercises you've done, and then here you write it down, what you did. So just real quickly, you could write running, lifted weights, things such as that, and then you'll hit submit. All right, everybody. So if you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me on Remind, and thank you very much for watching.